All right, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1 tutorial, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. Just remember, answer in 3 parts. Number 1, answer the question directly, elaborate your answer, and conclude your answer. Use a variety of words related to the topic, whatever the topic examiner picks up. So, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat. I like cats because we can soothe them very easily. We can train them very easily. Their bath training, their sitting training is very easy to make.
Okay. What is the most popular animal in your country?
In actually currently I'm living in Saudi Arabia, so there cat is very important.
Cat is very important. Cat is very popular. You can
Popular
see cats
animal
everywhere.
as pet
Just give
animal.
complete answer. This is incomplete answer.
Okay.
So you should go on starting 2-3 sentences for explanation and conclusion.
Okay.
All right, let's go on. Have you ever had a pet at home?
Yes, I had 3 years before. I had a cat at my home, but when I had kids, they make fight with
They fought with the cat.
they fought with the cat and afraid from that. So
They were afraid of the cat.
they were afraid of the cat. So I removed a cat from my house.
All right. Okay, let's go on. Where do you prefer to keep your pet? Indoors or outdoors?
I want to keep pets outdoors because indoors they make problems. They destroy the things. Destroy. Maybe they destroy your decoration as well.
Okay, so just try to connect your ideas by saying, moreover, they can destroy your decoration pieces in your house.
Okay.
Therefore, I love to keep the pets outside because there is a small pet house
Okay.
or pet room, and there I keep the pets. So connect your ideas together, okay? All right, let's go on. It's your turn, please. The topic is headphones, hands-free or headphones, whatever. Do you use headphones?
Yes, I mostly use headphones when I was driving a car or even I was traveling in a bus because
I'm traveling by bus.
I'm traveling by bus because sometimes when I want to listen my audio clips of studies, then the noise make me disturb. So that's why I use the headphones mostly.
Okay. All right, let's go on. What type of headphones do you use?
What type of headphones?
For example, I use Bluetooth headphones because
Okay.
they are very good, or I use hands-free,
Hands-free.
right? Or I use AirPods. It's the type of headphones. So, what type of headphones do you use?
I mostly use headphones like Bluetooth because it easy to carry and it easy to and it is convenient and it has a good sound quality and I can listen my audio clips very clearly.
Yeah, I can listen to the audio
audio
clips
clips
very
very
clearly. So, therefore, I prefer
Prefer to use
Bluetooth
tooth
or
headphones.
yeah, good, very good. When do you usually use headphones?
As I said, I mostly use my headphones when I was driving a car.
When
or
I am driving.
When I am driving a car or and I am traveling in a bus. So mostly that time I listen because the noise make me disturb and I can
Yeah, the noise makes me. The noise disturbs me.
disturb me and I can't concentrate on my studies. So that's why I use headphones while.
All right.
Yeah.
In what conditions you will not use headphones?
Well, when I am sitting on a bike and I'm sitting in, ये तो फिर वो आ जाएगा ना.
No, listen. In what conditions you will not use headphones? I will never use headphones if I'm walking on the footpath or on the
okay,
road
okay.
because there I need the clarity.
clarity.
If there is any vehicle coming from behind and they horn me, so I should be able to hear that. So whenever I'm outside, especially I'm walking on the footpath, I would never use headphones. Something like that, okay? All right, overall answers are good. Just keep it up like this and try to answer in a variety of different ways. For every question, there should be a different way to answer. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about shoes. Do you like buying shoes or do you like buying new shoes? Doesn't mean you like stealing shoes. It means do you like buying new shoes?
Yes. Yes, I like shoes because I
Now
am a
listen, they use
shopaholic.
the word do you like buying shoes. You should say I love to purchase new pairs of shoes and then elaborate. Okay, so
Okay, I am a shopaholic, and I love to buy the new shoes whenever I want. There are variety of shoes like jogging shoes and
Yeah, there is a
sneakers,
good
and
variety of shoes
there
like,
there
yeah.
is a good variety of shoes like jogging shoes and heels and sneakers and something like that. Whenever I went to the wedding, I used to
Whenever
wear.
I go to the wedding,
Whenever I go to the wedding, I used to wear heels.
now your answer is getting longer and longer. The
Okay.
question is only, do you like buying shoes? So
Yes.
give a precise, concise, to the point answer. For example, do you like buying shoes? Of course, I love to buy shoes, especially whenever there is a special occasion like wedding of my friend or colleague. I love to buy new shoes. On the other hand, I buy shoes on different seasons as well. Before winter, I love to buy winter shoes,
Winter
and I
shoes.
also buy summer shoes. So to answer your question, buying new pairs of shoes is my hobby.
Okay.
Different ideas. Otherwise, buying shoes, buying shoes, buying shoes, buying shoes. Come out of there, okay? Let's go on. Have you ever bought shoes online?
Yes, most of the time, because these are Corona days, and we have to stay at home all the time, and we do not allow even to move.
We are not allowed, passive voice. We are not allowed even.
We are not allowed even to go outside from the house, so that's why it is good for us, a good opportunity for us to buy the things or shoes online. Uh,
Okay, to buy
requesting
the
that.
shoes online. That's right. It's good conclusion. How much money do you usually spend on shoes? Now you don't need to calculate actually. How much money do you spend on shoes each year? I spend 10,000 rupees a year on shoes. Whatever you want to say. So, how much money do you usually spend on shoes?
I usually spend 5,000 in a month. So whenever I want to change my shoes, I have to just look at the price and the quality of the shoes. Then I buy the things, and I just keep the money of the shoes aside, and then keep the things, and just keep in my mind that what I need the shoes, and I also keep an eye on the money and quality of the shoes.
Okay, this is good, but you're just sometimes moving around in circles. Just come out of there. Find a straight away. Straight way means go on one sentence, another. Not one sentence, then you come back to first sentence after
एक्चुअली
two,
सर
three
मैं ना वो
sentences.
सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए मुझे दोबारा पीछे जाना पड़ता है
Don't do that.
इसलिए।
Just go on. Follow the pattern, answer the question directly, elaborate your answer, and conclude your answer. One last question. Which do you prefer, fashionable shoes or comfortable shoes?
Yes, I like to do. I like to buy both fashionable and comfortable too. But I'm mostly I have to stand all the time at my home, so I prefer to buy comfortable shoes.
Okay, all right. This is short answer. You can add some more. Explain what is the comfort. Sometimes I have to walk. So for that, I need comfortable shoes because fashionable shoes are not good to walk. You cannot walk too much if you are wearing high heels and all that. So define fashionable as high heels, this and that, and comfortable like sneakers or joggers,
Okay.
like that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. All the best.